This is the ACL Minute with Dr. Connor. Today we're going to talk about clips, clicks, pops, noises, music that our knee makes. This is very, very common. If you sustained an injury, chances are while you're going through the recovery process, you're going to hear some type of noise, click, or pop. I want to assure you that this is something not to worry about, especially if it is not associated with any pain or discomfort. Noises do happen, and I guarantee you, if you pay attention to any one of your other joints, there most likely is some sort of noise coming through there when you move. It is very normal. We don't worry about it. I know it's easier for us as providers to say than to not worry, but at the same time, it is very common. 90% of the clients that I deal with on a daily basis have some sort of noise coming from their joint. No pain, no worries. Continue on.